Okay, so today I'm doing the fuel system on my Audi S4. Since no one in the world has a video of this, no one has a video up. Okay, so up here you have your feed and your return. There's two lines. I got ahead of myself when I took them off. It kind of looks like this. It goes up to here. This is a vacuum line. Haven't really found out what I do with this yet, but I'm going along and I'm documenting it. These are the lines. They're all clamped to the car. They go down. You just literally unclamp them all the way to the back. And once you get that unclamped, I'll let you guys know what I'm doing next, because I don't know. Okay, so your lines come all the way down, if you're not familiar with what under your car looks like. And it goes all the way down to your fuel filter. Your fuel filter's under here. And I think you need to loosen the tank. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna get it done. Alright, so I have an update. So what you have to do is just pull all that stuff down. This is your fuel filter. You run an aftermarket fuel filter. You gotta get rid of this old one. You run that with your new line. You run your return line also. And it's pretty simple. So just unclip it from the front all the way down. Simple. And then I'll update with the wiring once I get to that. Learning as I go. Okay, so today we're finishing the fuel system on the Audi. Got the pumps all lined up. We got some little grommet Nate made. All wired up. So we just got to get this to run through the top hat of the pump. Got the lines ran, and she should be back on the road. Okay, so I'm finishing the fuel system on the Audi. I figured out that your stock basket works with this SRM kit. So you just got to get it to fit in there. And that's the top hat. And so I'm about to wire everything up, and then I'll update this once I get that done. So I got the pumps in the basket, I got the wires ran up to the top. Now I just got to cut a little line for the bottom, for the return. What I didn't know is there was like a return inside of the tank, and that has to be connected to the top of the hat on the new assembly. But I have those lines ran from the bottom all the way up to the top. This is the return, this is the feed, and this already has my AN fitting on it, and that just locks it to the top hat. Time for everything to go in. Okay, so I got both pumps down in there. It's kind of tricky to see, but they're down in there. I got my fuel level cinder. All I put in there. And then the return line, there's a return line stock, and I ran that up to there. But they try to get these relays ran right now, and it's a done deal. So I got the pump and assembly all locked down in there. Turbo, what are you doing, buddy? And now I just have to run my lines, my relay, and everything like that. And that'll be it. Got my hop switch. So what we're doing now, we're plugging in the relays, getting everything all wired up. Got Nate, the mad scientist.
We got Sukrup, the fucking idiot. Oh, can you plug that back in, please? Yeah.
It's heat shrinking right now.
Can you see that from the outside? We could put a little hole.
So I got everything ran, all the relays and the fuses. It's not the cleanest right now, but it's done and it works and it starts. So both the pumps are in there. Okay, so video update, it's a few days later. So we got everything installed and the car runs fine. So we got our return line and then we got our feed line. We ran up to the top. We have our hop switch. So under 6 pounds of boost, the second pump clicks on and then we get more fuel. We got that all wired up. So with the hop switch under vacuum or whatever, boost, it hits right here, clicks a little switch in there and turns on the second pump. That's all ran to the back. I know it's kind of confusing. I didn't really like clarify everything. We got our relays and our fuses in. So when that hop switch clicks on, it clicks this relay, it turns on the pump, and we have more fuel. Pretty simple. Yeah, so I use the stock return or whatever. I have to make a little AN line to go up, so everything in the tank's pretty much still stock. We have both pumps in there. 2 walbro 450s. My amp's still there. It's not the cleanest, but you know, it works. I can put everything back in and you can barely see anything. I'll show you guys. Yeah, so with my trunk liner in, you can't even tell if anything's there. All you can see is my little fuel line hanging out. I should have cut it a little shorter, but it doesn't really matter. Well, they get the car washed up right now. So this is the final setup on it. Everything back in looks pretty clean. Can't see all the wiring.